The financial reset has officially begun, and the World Bank just confirmed which altcoins are leading it. If you hold XRP, XDC, XLM or HBAR, this changes everything. Most people have no idea what just happened. No headlines. No hype. But behind closed doors, the most powerful financial institution on the planet quietly released a document that changes the game forever. It's not speculation or rumor, it's a blueprint, a step-by-step plan for how the global monetary system will transition onto blockchain rails. And buried inside that report are 4 names that could redefine everything we know about money. Ripple, Stellar, XinFin, Hedera. And if you know what those names mean, you already understand what's coming. The report doesn't speak in maybes, it speaks in certainties. It calls Ripple and Stellar promising solutions for cross-border settlement and instant liquidity. That's not crypto talk, that's institutional code. It's how world banks tell central banks what to build next. While everyone's watching Bitcoin charts, the real transformation is happening behind the scenes, and it's happening right now. Project Dunbar, M-Bridge, Icebreaker. These aren't theories, they're live pilots testing cross-border central bank digital currencies between nations. Australia, Singapore, China, the UAE, Sweden, Norway, all connected through digital corridors built on Ripple and Stellar technology. The future of global payments isn't being invented, it's being deployed. And the assets powering those rails, XRP and XLM, are already positioned as the bridge liquidity. This isn't about meme coins or hype. This is about programmable liquidity, compliance, regulation, and instant value transfer at the protocol level. When national settlement systems run on blockchain, demand for these assets won't be optional, it'll be mandatory. And the craziest part? Almost no one's talking about it. While retail traders are chasing pumps, institutions are wiring in the new financial grid. Ripple's building CBDC infrastructure for countries like Bhutan, Palau, Montenegro, and Colombia, and the list keeps growing. Stellar is running humanitarian payment corridors with the UN and MoneyGram. And XDC is quietly powering trade finance between Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. Every corridor that opens increases one thing: liquidity demand. And that's where HBAR enters the picture, as the enterprise-grade settlement layer for secure, high-volume transactions. The World Bank doesn't guess. It instructs. It's the implementation arm of the IMF and the United Nations. When they mention Ripple, Stellar, and their networks by name, they're not speculating, they're integrating. They're signaling to every central bank, build on this. The rails aren't being planned, they're already live. You can see it: CBDC pilots, ISO 20022 integration, and blockchain corridors lighting up across the map. When the switch flips from pilot to policy, utility demand for XRP, XDC, XLM, and HBAR becomes a matter of global economics, not investor hype. This isn't a bull run, it's an infrastructure shift. And it won't move gradually. It'll move all at once, fast, irreversible, permanent. The rails are ready, the networks are live, and the liquidity is waiting. Once that switch is flipped, there will be no time to reposition. If you understand what's being built, you're already early. If you don't, you'll find out when it's too late. The financial reset isn't coming. It's here. And it's happening right in front of us. Subscribe now, because over the next 12 months, everything we know about money, markets, and value will be rewritten.